What's going on, everybody? This is going to be a very quick update video. As you know, a little while ago I made a video showing that my car was rear-ended by a buddy of mine in a Mustang. So this is just going to be a quick update video showing you what it looks like. Let's see if I can get everything here. As you can tell, color match is very good. I still have to polish my exhaust tips, but everything is perfect. We got a brand new diffuser, brand new sexy bumper, not one issue. Paint match was on point. Everything is looking beautiful. I know I was getting some comments saying, oh, car's never gonna look right, it's never gonna look the same, oh, rest in peace car. No, not rest in peace car. What, did you think I wasn't gonna get this car fixed to my standards? The actual repair was minimally invasive, not that in-depth. There honestly just wasn't that much damage, and as you can see, the paint is looking pretty slick. So there's really nothing to worry about, everybody. I just, I don't know if it was more trolling or actual concern, but I wanted to make this update video just to let you know everything's going good. I will be reinstalling the wicker bill once I re-detail the car. I'm actually going to be switching from coatings back to the sealant slash wax slash mini topper life that I used to do. It's just a personal preference. I'm not into coatings. I just can't get into them. I just can't. I tried. I'm on my second type of coating and I'm not happy with it. I'm just not. So we're going to be getting that off and we're going to Wolfgang paint sealant. The lighting does suck. I apologize. It's so bright outside. It's so dark in here. I can't win. The only time I can really film is early in the morning or later in the afternoon. Right now, middle of the afternoon. Can't help it. Sorry, guys. What I will do is set the tripod up, get a little cold start so that you got something to look at, something to listen to, and then I'm just going to go about my day. Let's get a little cold start action. And boom, shaka, laka.